Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial lesson. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play I Look to You by Whitney Houston. She sang the song in the key of D, so I've transposed and I'm going to play in the key of C. Okay, I'll sing the song normally, then I give the piano tutorial after. So listen and be blessed. Lay me down, heaven hears me now. I'm lost without a after giving it my all. And the storms have come, and it cools my soul. After all I've been through, that I can turn to, I look to you, I look to you. After all my strength is gone, you I can be strong. I look to you, I look to you. Melodies are gone, you are here, son. I look to you, I look to you, I look to you, I look to you. So guys, it's a very simple chord progression, all right? So it's so the other part, I have to lose my breath, there's no more fire, it's still the same chord progression. Okay, so maybe the bridge part of it, it's a bit different. Okay, so it's a very simple chord progression, all right? So it's a one. So the chord progression is 1. We are in the key of C. Right, so it's a 1. Okay, C, E, G. We go to the 5. G, B, D. Go to the 6. A, C, E. We go to the 3. To the 4, F, A, C, then we go to 1 again, can be playing this broken chords, like you play this for the C with your left, and you play this for F, G, you play this for A, and for the 3, 4. Right, so we go to the 1 again, then this time around we come to the 2, right? So then we come back to the 5. So the chord progression is a 1, 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. Right, that's the chord progression. Heaven hears me now. I'm lost without a cause. 1, and with 2, after giving my 5. What the storms have come. 5 and 6, and that cools my soul. 3, and before to 4. After all I've been through, 1, and with 2, 1 that I can turn to 5. I look to you, I look to you. We go to 4. After all my strength is 1, very simple one. So you can be using inverted chords. Most of the times I don't play the full broken chord. I play just this and this, then I allow this one to sit because it is the same, but you can still play it all. So the intro, that intro, I didn't really put more, I didn't give you the intro. So the intro is, so this is our Do, C, G, C. So I'm playing the inversion. Okay, the second inversion of C major. Okay, so when you play that, you come to, okay, G major, but you omit the third note, all right, of G major. So you play. You can even omit the third note of C major as well, all right. So we just play something like this. That's G and C. Then you come again G and B now. Okay, and you are playing this with your love. Just let me down. Alright, so that's all about the intro. So the other part of it, the word is something of that sort. Okay, so it's the word. I need to set me free. This do 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 5 1. Me far from body, I need to shine on me. I look to you. Okay guys, so that's all about the song. I hope you've learned something. Alright, so if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe. God bless you.